Hello and welcome back to Miss White's math tutoring session. We're going to talk about transformations from y equals x squared to y equals ax minus h squared plus k. If you don't know how to do a and h and k separately, you can watch my other video. But this is when we have them all together, or if we have a few of them together. So you have to do it in a specific order. You do have to do a first. Okay, so a goes first, and then h, and then k. So it's pretty easy to remember. You're just going from left to right. So let's do one example. Let's do y equals. Let's do negative 1/2 x plus 3 squared plus 2. Okay. So I just made something random up. So we're going to write out our transformations in order. So we're going to start with A. So you can see A is negative, which means we've got a vertical flip. Okay. And then we've got 1/2, so that's less than 1. So it's going to be a vertical compression by 1/2. We're moving -3, so H is -3. So that means we're moving to the left by 3. And K is 2, so we're moving up by 2. Okay, so A is negative 1/2. That's the negative part gives you that vertical flip, and the half part gives you the vertical compression. The H is -3, which means we're moving left, and the K is 2. Okay, so we're going to actually do this we're going to show a maximum of 3 graphs, okay? So we always want to see the A graph separately. So we're going to start with y equals negative 1/2 x squared. All right, so I'm going to use red for that. So I'm going to multiply everything by A. I'm going to multiply all the y values by A. So 0, 0, 0 times negative 1/2 is 0. Okay. 1 times negative 1/2 is negative 1/2. And same on this side, because they have the same y value there. 2, 4. So 4 times negative 1/2 is negative 2. Okay. And same on the other side. And then 9 times negative 1/2 is negative 4.5, negative 9 over 2. So I'll draw those in. And on the other side. By the way, you should be labeling the axis of symmetry, which is x equals 0. Right? That's where the vertex is. Connect the dots in a curvy and attractive manner. Don't forget to label your graph. So I just did the A values, so I'm just writing y equals negative 1/2 x squared because I only did the A, right? Now I'm going to be able to move left 3 and up 2. Now most people can do left 3 and up at the same time, right? So we're going to do that at the same time. So we don't have to draw 2 more graphs, we'll only draw 1 graph. And because all of these things are going together, we're going to be transforming the red graph because we already did the A part, so now we just want to do the H and the K part, right? So we're going to take all the red dots and we're going to move them left 3 and up 2. So this 1, 0, 0, 0 is going to move left 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2, 1, 2, to there. Okay, we're going to move up 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm trying to do the halves, and, oops, sorry, I went the wrong way. I should go left 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then the other side as well. And the axis of symmetry always goes through the vertex. I can actually already draw it in x equals negative 3. And that can help me to draw these because they're going to be symmetrical. Okay, then this one over 3 and up 2. You don't have to draw the little lines that help you. And then left 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2, 1, 2. It's right there, and then I'll cross the way like that. Connect the dots in a curvy and attractive manner. There you go. And I've graphed my whole thing, so I'll label it y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3 squared plus 2.